Good day to you. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, sir. I am Lerma Cariaga Fernandez, 35 years old, married with two children ages 14 years old son and 17 years old daughter, living at Santo Domingo, Luna, Isabela. And I have four sisters and two brothers. I am the second child of the family. I am high school graduate, sir.
Okay. Can you tell me your work experience?
I work here in the Philippines as a housemaid. I serve 4 persons, 1 couple, 2 children, ages 1 year old and 5 years old. I do all the household chores like cooking, cleaning, ironing, washing the car, and my main duty is to taking care of the children, sir.
Okay. In your previous employer, how would you take care of the children, especially when sick?
I always securing the safety of the children. If the children is sick, I will check the temperature. If the children is sick, I will call my employer.
Okay. How would you describe yourself?
I am hardworking, honest, and responsible, sir.
Okay. Do you have any tattoo?
Yes, sir. I have a tattoo on my left arm, size 1 by 2 inches.
Okay. Do you have surgery or serious sickness before?
Yes, sir. I have surgery, cesarean section, 17 years ago, sir.
Okay. Do you have an allergy to certain food?
None, sir.
Do you smoke and drink alcohol?
No, sir.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I wanted to work abroad
For your
for my family to
needs.
provide needs, and especially to my children.
Okay. If you get hurt, who will take care of your children?
My husband, my parents, or in-laws, sir.
Okay. If you're homesick, what would you do?
I will focus myself and I will focus my work and remind myself that I need this job, sir.
Okay. What time do you usually sleep and wake up when you were working?
I usually sleep around 10 p.m. after my work is done and wake up around 5 a.m., sir.
Are you the one who do the cooking and marketing at home?
Yes, sir.
Sometimes kids are super active and they tend to be out of control. How would you control your temper?
I will be more patient and calmer when...
Okay. Do you accept no day off but to be paid instead by your employer?
Yes, sir.
When you visited the parents, relatives, and friends of your employer, will you help and do the housework there?
Yes, sir.
Can you promise not to lend money in Hong Kong?
Yes, sir.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, sir.
Are you willing to share a room with kids?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise not to use cell phone during working hours?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise to finish your contract?
Yes, sir.
Can you cook Chinese food?
None, sir, but I'm willing to learn.
Can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, sir.
Sing it.
The wheel of the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels of the bus go round and round,
Okay.
all through the town.
What is your message to your future employer?
Dear, good day, sir. Hope you select me as your helper. I am a hardworking, responsible, honest, and responsible person. I promise to serve your family with all my best. Thank you.
Okay.